I'm Angie. I'm a program manager of engineering at Google. I'm currently working on the data analytics certificate, and previously I was a researcher in people analytics. I was also what I call an analytical mercenary, working for a lot of different companies to help them make sense of their data. Every time I learn a new skill, I feel like I'm learning how to speak all over again. I remember the first time I learned SQL, I was so frustrated because everyone around me it felt like they were fluent. They knew exactly what they were doing. And I remember struggling with the most basic things, just like getting the data out of the table, right? Or I remember somebody asked me just to find like an average of something, and I kept on getting an error. And it really does feel like you're learning a new language and you're at toddler level, and everyone around you is like maybe fluent. So my parents immigrated to this country when they were in their 30s. So after, they had learned another language and they had to start over and learn, English. And I remember as a child watching them struggle every day to pick up a new language, to do really basic things, like ask for help at the grocery store. I remember calling the cable company when I was 6, asking them questions about the bill because my parents couldn't. And I remember how hard they worked to learn this new language and to become fluent, and every time I'm learning a new data language like SQL or R, I think about how hard that must have been. And I think if they can do that, I can learn SQL. If they can ask for help for the most basic of things, I can ask the data analyst next to me, how to write a SQL statement, how to get data out of a table. And that's really helped me, is just having that mindset and knowing that I can ask for help.